Hi guys, today I'm going to be going over 2 levels. I would be doing the first level if this was not like that. Guess I have to We're going to do Factory Ruins and Northern Workshop. Oh, just my cord stuck in. I don't want to do infinite air because that might be rude. So whatever. Very fun map. It's a very nice map. Emerald Stan is pretty good. There's music too. Also, it doesn't matter if we have infinite air or not because you won't run out of air tank unless you're going really slow. Which I am. Pretty easy map. Now we're going to do Northern Workshop. It's an easy. I don't get what. Is it a normal or easy? How is this? Oh. This is a little harder for me. It's a little harder than Factory Ruins, especially because it's longer and there's a lot of stuff and it's confusing. We just found over. Both maps are really good. Oh gosh. What am I doing in there? Oh no, acid. I don't want to die. Pretty easy also. Just a little harder. I just saw some lava. Level. You just need to memorize where to go, and then you'll be fine. Part of the tricky. It's also the last part of the level. This one you need to jump on these. Or else you'll fall. Only the glowing ones you can jump on. Basically, I hope you guys enjoy, so bye.